In this video, we'll swap some old kitchen cabinet doors for brand new bespoke doors from Jali. Removing the old door will make measuring up much easier. Remove any hinges to reveal the recesses. These are often 35mm in diameter. Note down the distance from the recess to the door top and side. And of course, you'll need the overall height and width. Design your new door at jali.co.uk. Adjust the finish and the door size. You can choose from a range of handles along with other styling options. The hinge menu lets you place suitable recesses according to your measurements. When you're done, save your design to your basket and purchase. Your bespoke doors should arrive in just a few weeks. You may need to unclick the covers on the soft close hinges. Place the hinge firmly in the recess, then secure with 17mm countersunk screws. Now click the cover into place. Fix the corresponding hinge plate to the cabinet side with the arrow facing outwards. Hold the plate firmly in place, taking care to avoid the plate from spinning. You may need to replace the bolts with narrower screws. Once engaged, the hinge clicks into place. Have someone take the weight while lining up each hinge, then work your way down. Before we adjust the door, you can attach a handle. Tweak the door height by readjusting the hinge plate up or down. You can use the screw at the back to set the door forward or backward. To align the door, each hinge can be adjusted to move the door side to side. This is complete when the gaps between the doors are square and consistent. Visit jali.co.uk to design your doors.